Hi everybody, so welcome to how to make or how to do your own molds for your palm print jewelry. So by now you've already talked to us, I'm sure, or you've seen us at the markets or talked to you online, and you've purchased what we have here is a mold kit. So we have two different colors. One is a blue, one is like a purpley mauve color, and we've given you kind of similar equal amounts of each one. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to squish these together and start kneading them, and this is where you need to be a little fast when you're doing it. And so here we go. Let's give it a shot and you can see what I mean. So we'll start pushing them together, and as we're doing that, you can see the blue and the mauve are kind of swirling together, and as I'm pushing it I can already kind of feel it kind of soften, which is great. That's what we want, and we want to make sure that it's all kind of, you're just kneading it with your fingers. The intention is to make sure that all the blue is kind of out of there and kind of pushed in and kneaded into the mauve, and it will turn out, and you can just take a look, just needs a little bit more. Turn out there. Okay, so all the blues is now pushed into the mauve, and I'm going to roll it into a ball to make it easier to work with. Now this is the part here. So you want to cup your hand, and we'll move that out of the way. You want to cup your hand and make so that all your lines are there, and then you're going to push down, and when you're pushing, you want to make it like as flat as you possibly can. The intention behind this is to get as many lines as you can. So if you keep your hand flat like this, you're not going to get as many lines, but if you cup it, you can see I have way more lines throughout here, and we're going to kind of squish it around. All right, so now the hard part is done. You're finished. You can take a breath, don't need to worry about it. You've got your imprint there now, so you can slow everything down. You don't need to work as fast. So now what you're wanting to do is you're going to very lightly just kind of peel around the edges. Just like that. You can see it starting to lift, and it kind of looks almost like a dome shape, which is really great, easy to work with. And then ever so gently, you're gonna pull it up, and voila, you have an imprint of your palm. Then what you're going to do is you're gonna set this down on a surface out of the way where it can sit for about half an hour to 45 minutes, and the silicone will harden, and then it'll be easy for you to pick it up, and then you can put it in a bag and put your name on it, and send it back to us or give it to us back at the markets, and then we'll be able to make you your own personalized one-of-a-kind piece of jewelry out of that. All right, thank you so much for watching our video. Have a lovely day, everybody.